Filipino traditions, love, and unity. Good day everyone, my name is Jaden Petere, a student in St. Elizabeth. Today, I want to share the importance and the meaning of family traditions. It is said that family is central to human life, but a family's tradition serves as a family's identity. Family traditions are living legacies passed down generations through generations, shaping who we are. Filipino traditions like telling the stories of terror, aswangs that can take many forms, or duendes that can fool you, and other myths have helped us to be mentally strong and awake. Not only that, we Filipinos also have practices like Manupo that shows respect to our elders by gently taking their hand and pressing it against our foreheads. A simple gesture that had a ton of meaning in the culture of Filipinos. Another cherished tradition is celebrating with our extended families during fiesta, simbang gabi, or even birthdays, strengthening our bond as a family and creating for everlasting memories. These customs provide a sense of belonging and cultural pride. Furthermore, traditions of bayanihan or unity teaches us the value of helping one another in times of need. These traditions are like the seeds of our culture that we grow together as a Filipino society. Traditions preserve our values and heritage, keeping one's culture identity alive for the future generations to come.